As you can see, here we have a very big piggery. I have a very big piggery farm. As you can see, we are here in Modika village. A very big piggery farm. You can see here we have almost 5 of them. You can see big piggery farm. You can see here. As you can see, there's a farm like that. Very big piggery farm. You can see the big piggery farm. There's a fish pond down there. A fish pond. Big piggery farm. Yeah. This road is going down to an old existing well. That is here. The water is inside there, too dirty. It's an existing well that is here. As you can see.
I don't know that boy will use that now. I don't know why he will be teaching. If I want to attack it the other day, say for holding it. Now we see I don't go around the place. I didn't see the game.
Which kind of hole did they? You can see another fish. You can see another farm. Here we have